Good morning. What is going on, guys? It is Friday, day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday for those who shop. Went and bought a new camera this morning, filming on the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. So this is going to be kind of a test to see how this is for doing these videos and whatnot. Past couple days I've had off work. I've done a few things with this car. I replaced the inner and outer tie rod end on this side, and I'm not sure that I got the alignment guessed correctly, but that'll be addressed later on. I also, yeah, that's annoying still. I also got the rear strut replaced. That was kind of a pain to align back up, and the 3 holes that go in up top, but the car still needs a battery, so I had to come up with something since my fiance has the jumper cables in the car she drives every day. Now that it's winter, figure I'd give her nice winter tools like that, I guess, whatever. So I had to come up with some stuff to make jumper cables, but actually works very well. Car starts right up now, but obviously we can't drive with this on there, so what we're going to do is we're going to start it. Now we're going to come out here, grab the ratchet, take the 13 off there, pull it off up here, blah blah blah, do all that jazz and stuff and things and whatnot, and then we're gonna see just how bad this thing drives after all this time, since it hasn't really done anything since the last video but sit here. And now that it's cold and snowy, I decided what a better time to be outside and start working on it. So we'll go ahead and start it up. Oh, I also put some fuel in there too, so it's not saying that it's empty anymore. Ugh. Had a little bit of lifter tick start to develop a little bit earlier today. Not 100% sure what's going on with that. I mean, I do know the obvious problems, the whole DOD collapsed lifter jazz and whatnot, and I get that. So I mean, oh, so that's a thing. Alright, I got an idea. Silly me didn't think that would do that, but that absolutely is an issue, which I should have known. Maybe we'll get lucky and it'll start up. I doubt it, because that battery is really junk. Oh, okay, cool. So apparently you just gotta let it run for a long time and you'll be able to barely start it up. Okay, cool. That works. All that's disconnected. I'm not gonna go far, I'm not gonna go fast, but we'll see how things go. This will legitimately be my first time driving it, and that is very annoying and very messy. That rev limiter is kind of annoying. Whatever. See if it does anything. Okay, there's reverse. Oh yeah, that's annoying. I guess the only other thing I've done since the last video would have been I put a sunroof in it. I don't know if it works or not. I'm not gonna try that right now. The main concern is seeing how it drives, if it drives. And so far it runs, drives, and stops. So we'll see how this goes. I really wish that noise would go away. drive that good. It's got a shake, which actually just kind of feels like a flat tire, honestly. Flat tire or bent wheel, possibly both. Very little brakes, which I should have known that. Yep. Very, very little brakes. Let's speed through my neighborhood. That sounds like a grand idea, doesn't it, guys? I'm gonna put this window up. Oh yeah, there we go. You can hear the rust on the brakes from not doing anything in forever. Yeah, I definitely got a tire low. I mean, I do have space saver spares in the back, so I mean there is that too. Completely forgot. Those will affect the ride. We're gonna pretend like we got our seatbelt on. Always wear your seatbelts on the roads. Never record while driving either. That's bad. Not supposed to do any of that. There's a bunch of traffic today. Holy cow. There we go. So we got some torque, that's good. Turn signal works, that's also good. Brake pedals still almost non-existent. So I should probably bleed the brakes because I've replaced the brake line that was cut, and I didn't do anything about it. I just replaced it, didn't bleed the brakes or anything, so I should probably do that. I'm pretty sure that's why I have no brake pedal right now. But yeah, it runs, it drives, it needs brakes, it needs tires, it needs wheels. Does the radio work? AM. Who listens to AM? Alright, it's got some sort of a radio, so that's cool. Brakes, blah, 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 blah. Stop, go. Beeping at me because traction control, that's fine. But hey guys, it runs and drives. That's not bad. Got plenty of go. Trans seems okay. Seems like once we fix the brakes and get some wheels and tires on here, this thing might actually drive fairly decent, which is kind of surprising to me. I thought it'd have a lot more issues than this. Interesting. Traction control. Boop. Traction control off. It's a weird button to have there. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's not bad. Little smoke in there, and oh yeah, the back window I still haven't got replaced yet. It's just a matter of needing to go to the junkyard to do that, and I just haven't. Might actually do that later today, I think. Now that I know it runs and drives fairly decent, next up is going to be a battery, so I don't have to jump start it anymore. And then after battery, well, brakes, battery, all that good stuff. Let me out. Ooh. Well, there it is. Not bad. The alignment wasn't too terribly far off. It wasn't fighting me to go straight. Yeah, this tire's a little low, so that's a thing. But yeah, expired license plate, don't ever drive on those. Those are bad. Hey, it's not making that noise anymore. Normally it makes that noise. Bet it does if I shut the door. No. Fantastic. That'll probably come back soon. Alright guys, well, this video has been long enough. Yeah, 11 minutes, 20 some seconds. Like the video, comment, let me know what you guys think. Tell me how stupid I am for driving it the way it is. That'll be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. See you later.